Hey, hello, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little rose. I'm going to start off with a cup shape, a U. Gonna curve in till about here, and the same thing on the other side, connecting the two lines, like this. I'm gonna make another curve from here to there, and I'm gonna start a little bit higher than where this line ends. Something like this. Gonna create the same line coming to there, coming up, curving down in again. Gonna start here and make an arch like this, create another arch and curve back in again. Gonna create the same shape over here, curve around that line, make another arch and come back in. Now we're gonna follow this line and go all the way to the top and make a swirly like this. Now finish off this line to the top of that part, like so. Now connect these two lines behind that part, and we can start off with the eyes. Create a circle over here, and on the other side the same, another circle. Create an oval for an highlight, and create a little smile in the middle. Now we're gonna come over to the center, going slightly to the side and come straight down, like this. Connect the two lines, and from here come down, same thing over here, and then straight up. Now we're gonna create two little lines to indicate some folds. Now for a straight line coming down, same thing over here and stopping over there. Connect the two lines, and we're gonna create some leaves. Start here and make an arch that's coming up. Same thing over here, make an arch that's coming up and curve back down again, like this. Create a center line, like so, and now for a horizontal line from here to here. A line coming in on both sides, connected to the horizontal line, like so. A longer line coming in from the sides, like this, and connected to a little bit of a curved line. Not too much, just a little bit. And we have ourselves a cute little rose. I'm going to fill in the eyes and going to fill it in with a thicker outline, and we'll be seeing you again in a few seconds. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to like and subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.